How long does it take to get divorced in New York? Well, the answer is it depends. I'm Katherine Miller, and I've been a divorce attorney in New York City and New York State for over 30 years. And here's what I mean. From the time that you decide to get divorced to the time that you are actually divorced will likely take about a year. Now, don't hold me to that, but let me break that down for you. At first, you have to decide how you're going to get divorced. Are you going to mediate? Are you going to sit at the kitchen table? Are you going to use collaborative law? Are you going to litigate? If you litigate, though, warning, it's likely to take 2 or 3 years, maybe longer, because you are at the mercy of the court schedule and they are worried about their schedule, not yours. So if you don't litigate and you're going to mediate, collaborate, or work it out yourself, once you decide on that, well, that might take you a month or two. Once you get into that process, you've got to negotiate, share information, figure out what's going to happen, and then write it up. That's likely to take 6 to 9 months before you're ready to sign it. And once you sign that agreement and you're living separate according to the terms of the agreement, you're not yet divorced and you will never be divorced until one of you files what we call uncontested divorce papers. It doesn't mean that you have to say anything bad about the other person, but you do have to ask the court to grant the judgment of divorce. So once you do that and you submit those papers, which take maybe a few weeks to prepare, sign, and file, in Westchester County, it's likely to take 2 to 4 months for those papers to make their way up to the judge's desk so he or she can sign them when you will be divorced. In New York County or Kings County, those waiting periods can be up to a year. It's a really long time. Upstate, it can be much shorter. There's a new law that says now that you must file your divorce in the county in which you live. You need to file where it is that you live. So it really does depend. If you've got any questions about ways that you can speed this process up, hints and things that you can do to prepare yourself to facilitate the process and make it smoother and faster, click on the link below and we'll send you over a PDF giving you some guidance to that. Thanks for listening.